Cook like Ukrainians. Макарони по-флотськи. One of the first references to a dish of pasta with meat in the Navy, so-called Naval Pasta, occurs in the connection with the mutiny that took place on October 19, 1915 on the battleship Gangut. The reason for the rebellion was the violation of maritime traditions when, after performing the physically difficult work of loading coal onto the ship, the sailors were offered barley porridge instead of relying on pasta with meat. The dish we'll cook today is included in the set of the most popular dishes of the USSR cuisine and, therefore, of my childhood. Although there is nothing special about it, it is still quite tasty, and besides, it can be cooked in 10 minutes, and dinner is ready. I already told you that you can improvise with the number of ingredients. Cook by eye and according to your taste. This is how Ukrainians do it. We don't like rules.
You were made for me. A grape was made to grow on a vine.
Even though there is a classic serving of this dish, we can afford improvisation. Most of all, I like to cook this with penne. Then the meat filling gets inside these tubes and it turns out to be absolutely yummy. But any pasta will work. By the way, in the classic recipe, it is customary to boil the minced meat first and then fry it in a pan. But we can afford to be lazy and do everything at once. It doesn't particularly affect the taste.
You were made for me. A grape was made to grow on a vine.
Cook like Ukrainians.